When is a discount not a discount? The Office of Fair Trading is investigating 6 UK retailers that offered heavy discounts, often more than 50% reductions, to see whether the discounts that were offered were genuine or inflated in an attempt to make the discount look like better value. Well, Duncan Robinson is the reporter on this story and he joins me now to talk about it. Duncan, furniture retailers are renowned for seemingly always offering heavy discounts. What does the law say on this issue and where might it be being broken here?
The law is quite simple. Essentially, prices have to not be misleading. So when it comes to sales, that means the original price has to actually be a genuine price, one that people are actually buying. And the OFT found that in many cases, only 5% of the items these companies were selling were actually sold at the original price.
So which companies specifically are being targeted? Is it strictly the furniture retailers, or might the investigation turn elsewhere, do you think?
Today it's just the furniture retailers, so places like Carpetright and DFS have also been mentioned. But it could be extended out to other people across the retail sector. I spoke to the OFT earlier today and they mentioned that they wouldn't say which sector, but they are looking into this across the board.
So why is the OFT launching this investigation now? Is the timing of this move significant, do you think?
It is relatively significant, mainly because this is one of the busiest weekends of the year for furniture retailers. The bank holiday weekend is when they do a lot of trade. And so the OFT really want consumers to be aware of what sort of tactics the retailers are using to sell their wares.
And where does it go from here? What's next, do you think, as far as this investigation goes?
Well, regulators have cracked down on pricing in the past few years. Only last week, Tesco was charged £300,000 after it kept a sale on a half-price strawberries on for too long. So it is something that regulators are becoming more aware of. So this should spread to other sectors as well, particularly perhaps in the clothing sector as well, where retail prices for things like shirts are often much higher than they would seem to be.
Okay, Duncan, well, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much indeed.